Hey there, and welcome to Fire Style Yoga. My name is Rodi, and I will guide you through today's practice. Find yourself a comfortable sitting position at the center of your mat, crossed legs, or you can even sit on your heels if crossed legs doesn't feel quite right today for you. Come with your spine nice and straight. Close your eyes, relax the hands down on your knees. Take a deep breath in and exhale through the mouth. Relax the forehead, the muscles around the eyes. Relax the shoulders. Bring your body to stillness and melt your awareness down to the body. See if you can unlock your jaw. And really feel your spine nice and straight. And feel the connection between your body and the earth beneath. Feel the points of contact between your body and the earth, the floor and the mat. Let's take on a more deep breath here. And really deepen that connection with your body and with your breath. And exhale, root yourself even more down into the earth. Your next inhale, slowly open the eyes. Inhale again, raise your arms up, all the way up, 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 up. Exhale, let's go side bend towards the left. Bring your left hand down to the ground, a little bit away from the body. Bend the elbow. Right arm diagonally above your head, palm facing downwards. Let's just take a few deep breaths here. One more. Coming back to center, inhale. Exhale, let's go on the other side. Right hand down on the ground, a little bit away from the body. Bend the elbow, relax the shoulder, relax the right shoulder. The left arm diagonally above your head, palm facing down. Open the chest. Deep breaths. Really feel that stretching on your left side. 2 and 1. Back to the center. Inhale, arms up, 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 up. Elongate the back. Exhale, twist, turn your torso towards the left. Bring your right hand on the left knee and left hand behind you. See if you can also maybe bring your gaze over your left shoulder. Deep breaths here. Relax the shoulders down. Feel that connection with your body strong. And again, come back to the center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist, turn towards the right. Left hand down on the right knee. Right hand behind. Relax the shoulders. Keep the back nice and straight. Maybe your gaze goes a little bit over the right shoulder. Of course, if it feels a little bit too much for your neck, keep your gaze forward, okay? One more breath. Awesome. And slowly coming back to the center, releasing the hands down on the knees, taking a deep breath here. And exhale. And now we are going to transition into the hands and knees, come into a tabletop position. So bring your hips above the knees and your hands underneath your shoulders. So really make sure your hands are shoulder wide apart, okay? Inhale, drop the belly down, open the chest forward and maybe bring the head a tiny little bit up. Exhale, round the back, belly pulling in and chin to the chest. Inhale again, belly down, chest forward, head up. Exhale, round the back, chin to the chest, pull the belly in. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. One more, inhale. And exhale. Awesome. Come back to the center in a neutral position. Keep the hips above the knees. Walk the hands to the front. Bring the chest towards the ground and the forehead maybe touches the ground. Okay, really make sure your hips are above the knees. A nice stretching for the arms. Really feeling your spine elongating here. Extending, expanding and stretching. A few more breaths. Keep your hands or arms strong on the ground, maybe pressing a little bit the palms down on the ground as well. One more breath. Awesome. Let's slowly come back up. Bring the hands a little bit towards you. Tuck your toes. Bend the knees. Keep the knees bent. And bring the hips up towards the sky, okay? Move your feet so you have them hips wide apart. Your hands stay shoulder wide apart. Keep your knees bent and really press with the palms of your hands on the mat and push with your hips up towards the sky, your chest towards the knees. Really feeling all your body activated here, all your muscles engaged. Keep your head relaxed though. Your head relaxed between your arms, downward facing dog. One more deep breath here. And last one. Awesome. We are going to bring the right leg to the front, right foot between the hands, left knee down, top of the left foot down. Come with the chest up and the hands on the right knee. Okay? Low lunge here. Let's take a few deep breaths. Really making sure you are feeling that stretch at the front left thigh. The psoas muscle of the front left thigh. Deep breath. Keep your shoulders relaxed. One more breath. And one inhale. Exhale, bring your hands down. Lift your left knee and bring the right leg back again into a downward facing dog. Hips pushing up towards the sky, bending the knees, the chest going towards the knees. The palms of your hands are really pushing down into the ground, like we're trying to push the earth away from us, okay? Deep breath, one. Deep breath, two. Let's inhale. Exhale, bring the knees down to the ground. Bring the chest down to the ground. And let's come to the elbows and the forearms here into a Sphinx pose. Okay? Elbows underneath the shoulders. So we are not having the elbows open too much outward or maybe too much in or maybe leaning back somewhere. They are right underneath the shoulders so that we also have space to open the chest. Relax the shoulder blades down. Relax the gaze. Just a few deep breaths. Relax the legs and the glutes. Maybe you feel it a little bit in your lower back. Maybe you feel a little bit of a stretching in your abdomen as well. One more breath. Deep inhale. Exhale, slide your hands close to the chest, forehead down, tuck your toes. Lift your chest, lift your knees, downward facing dog. Position your feet hip wide apart, your hands shoulder wide apart. Bend the knees, chest towards the knees. Deep breath. Deep, deep breath. For 3, 2, and 1. And we are going into the low lunge on the left side. So left foot comes forward between the hands, right knee down, top of the right foot down, okay? Coming up with the chest and releasing the hands on the left knee. We are feeling the stretching on the psoas, the right psoas, the right leg. So the right front thigh. If you do not feel it, bring the hands down on the ground. Maybe slide that right knee a little bit back, a little bit more back, like send that right leg back and coming back up, and see if you can intensify a little bit the stretching. Make sure your front knee is above the ankle. I will stop talking and just enjoy here a few breaths, relaxing your shoulders down. 2 and 1. Inhale. Exhale, release the hands down again, lift the right leg, send the left foot back, downward facing dog, bend the knees, chest towards the knees, really press with the hands down on the mat. Deep breath for 3, 2 and 1. Let's inhale. Exhale, knees down. Bring the big toes together. Open the knees to the edges of the mat. Bring the hips down towards the heels and the forehead, the chest towards the ground, the forehead down. The arms extended forward into an extended child's pose. A really nice resting pose. Just a few deep breaths here. And then we are moving the arms all the way towards the left. Still bringing the forehead towards the ground. Maybe it's touching the ground, maybe it's not touching the ground. Whatever you are is amazing. Press with your hips towards the heels. You're not supposed to touch the heels. Or I mean, if they touch the heels, it's okay. If they don't touch the heels, it's still okay. We have space to push, to press, to extend, to elongate, and feel that nice stretching on the right side here. One more deep breath. And then slowly coming with the arms towards the right. Still keeping the belly and the chest low, down towards the ground. Maybe the forehead is touching the ground. And the hips are pressing towards the heels. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Feeling that nice stretch, the left side of the body. Feeling the body opening, expanding and creating space. And then slowly let's come back to the center. Just to balance it out, a few more breaths here with the arms extended forward, the forehead down, pressing the heels, the hips towards the heels. Beautiful. And from here we are going to come up with the chest, and we are going to sit down on the ground and extend the legs to the front. Okay? You're going to inhale, bring the arms up, and exhale, forward fold towards the legs. You can bend the knees here and make sure you are starting the movement from your hips. So your belly wants to come down to the thighs first, and then eventually the chest, the head, and everything with time. But at the beginning, we want the belly to come down towards the thighs. Keep the knees bent here. You are still feeling the stretch at your hamstrings. I'm sure about that. Okay? So deep breaths, relax the hands down alongside the legs, and with each exhale feel your body relaxing even more in this posture. And with each exhale, maybe your legs want to extend a little bit more. Maybe your belly wants to come even more down towards the thighs. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the whole body here. Just a few more breaths into this sitting forward fold. And one. And from here we are slowly coming back up, bringing the soles of the feet together, opening the knees to the side. Okay, holding the feet with your hands. Hold them separately, like you're opening a book in front of you. And let's move the knees up and down just for a few breaths, for a few moments here. Just up and down, feeling the hips opening and releasing any tension that you might store in this area of your body. Up and down, just for a few more breaths. Up and down, up and down. Awesome. Slowly coming back to stillness. Let's inhale here. Maybe open the chest a little bit up. Exhale, forward fold towards the feet, and with your elbows press the knees away from each other and down towards the ground. A few breaths here, maybe feeling that stretch on the at the inner thighs. Deep breath. 2, 3, 4, and last one. Inhale and slowly coming back up, helping the knees with your hands, bring them together, hug them to the chest. Awesome. Release the feet down on the ground. Bring again your legs crossed, sitting in this starting position with your back nice and straight, relaxing the hands down on the knees. Closing the eyes, taking a deep inhale and exhale. Let go of any tension that you feel you are still storing somewhere in your body. Just one more breath here with the feeling body, with the sensations. We're feeling into that pulsing, buzzing, tingling. What is alive, what is present in your body right now. And with your next inhale, slowly bring the arms all the way up, up, up towards the sky. Palms together. As you exhale, bring your palms down in front of your heart. And again, with your next inhale, slowly opening the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you next time.